Hello YouTube. In this video I'm going to show you how to perform a clean install of a core install, which is similar to what is being referred to as Nano. It is all command line based. There's no GUI for the OS for Windows Server 2016 Technical Preview 4. Of course, first thing you have to have is the install media. It has to be in either a USB drive or the DVD to boot from to be able to start the installer. And of course the loading screen will be similar to that of Windows 10. Alright, and once it boots, it'll set at this screen for the initial Windows setup. Make sure you have your language, time, and currency format and keyboard input method set, and once you do, click Next. Then click Install Now. And then with this installer, you have the full install, which is 2016 with desktop experience. The one that just says Server 2016 Technical Preview 4, that is the core install. Again, once you do that install, it will have command line only. Makes it a rather powerful server version with the fact that it doesn't have all the overhead and it's not as top heavy as what it is with the full GUI desktop environment. Once you have it selected, click Next. Click I accept the license terms and click Next. And then go to Custom Install. In this case, there's absolutely nothing on the drive, so we're going to click New, click Apply, click OK. And you'll see that it does the System Reserve partition and then partition 2, which is the primary. Select that partition 2 because that's where the OS will actually install. Click Format to make sure that it's actually formatted and ready for the file system. And then click Next. Now it's going to copy the files over onto the drive and expand them out because they'll be in a compressed format, so it'll expand out the files so they're the full file content. And then it'll go through installing features, updates, and finish up. The installer, it's going to reboot a few times, and this process does take a little while, so we'll see you shortly. Then it'll end up restarting. When it restarts, it'll pop up telling you to press any key to boot from the CD or DVD. Do not press any key. That will cause it to go back and restart the setup. That's not what you want it to do, so don't hit anything, just let it boot from the hard drive. It actually won't reboot as many times on the core install as what it does on the desktop install, but it's still going to reboot a couple of times. You are pretty well completely done, and it's ready for you to start doing any configurations and install whatever packages you need to or software. First thing we're going to have to do is set a password for administrator and all that good stuff. You will have to set a semi-complex password. You're not going to be able to get away with just a simple one, which is pretty much what you want to do anyway. You don't want the password to be something simple, easy to crack, and easy to guess. Right there, the password must be changed. Hit OK. Put in the new password. Alright, password changed. And there it is, ladies and gentlemen. You are set and ready to go. It's fully installed and waiting on you to do whatever you need to do to set up your server. This information's out there for absolutely everybody. As always, watch, like, and share. Have a great day.